In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall Hotmail email. Quick heads up before we start, on Outlook.com, which is the current home for Hotmail accounts, the closest thing to recalling a message is a feature called undo send. It doesn't pull an email back after it's been delivered. Instead, it adds a brief delay after you press send, giving you a few seconds to stop the message before it actually leaves your outbox. Let's set that up so you have a safety net built in. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook sign-in page for Microsoft 365. Sign in with your Hotmail or Outlook account. If you're prompted to choose an account, select your own and continue. Once you're in your inbox, you'll be on Outlook on the web. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click that. A quick settings panel will open on the right. From there, look for the link to see all Outlook settings so you can access the full menu. In the full settings window, select Mail on the left side. This switches the view to mail-related options. Next, choose Compose and Reply. This section controls how your messages behave when you're writing and sending them. Scroll down the page until you find the option called Undo Send. This is the control that adds a short delay between clicking Send and actually sending the email. You'll see a slider or a circle you can drag. Move it to set the number of seconds you want for the delay. A longer delay gives you more time to catch mistakes, but it also means every email takes a bit longer to go out. Pick a time that feels comfortable for you. Many people choose something like 5 to 10 seconds, so there's enough time to spot a typo, add a missing attachment, or rethink the tone. After you've set the delay, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the settings window and click it. If you forget to save, the setting won't take effect. Here's how it works going forward. The next time you compose an email and click Send, Outlook will show an undo option for the number of seconds you selected, usually along the bottom of the screen. If you change your mind, click Undo within that window, and Outlook will stop the send and bring the message back into draft so you can edit or discard it. If the countdown ends, the email is sent and can't be retrieved, so act quickly. That's it. Your Hotmail account now has a built-in buffer to help prevent accidental sends.